Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm using the Juvias Place Warrior 3 eyeshadow palette. I wanted to show you guys what kind of looks you guys can create with one palette. So that's why I decided to film this video today. Like I said, I'm using the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm using the green shade with a small brush, and I'm just applying that into my crease in like a wing shape. Next, I'm going to be taking the yellow shade and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be working that on top of the green shade, just kind of blending it out, making sure that it kind of looks like an ombre. So I'm just going to keep blending that back and forth and following the same wing-like shape. And I'm just going to keep building up that yellow until I'm satisfied with it. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the purple from the palette, and with a flat brush, I'm going to be packing it out in my outer corner. On this eye, you will notice that the purple is more noticeable than it is on my other eye that I already have done, but that was something I didn't realize until after. You can pretty much just look at my other eye if you want less purple on the outer corner, or if you want more purple, you can follow the tutorial that I'm showing you guys right now. I'm just going to tell you right now that the looks don't come out exactly the same. Next, I'm just going to take the Jaclyn Hill brush. It's like a small fluffy pencil brush, and I'm just going to add more green to blend out that purple. Then adding more purple just to get it to be as intense as I want, but also making sure that it still looks blended into the green since it's such a dark shade. You'll see me cleaning up the outer edge a couple times because I really wanted to have like a sharp wing edge. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer with a small detail brush. I believe it's from Miss A or AOA. And I'm going to be taking that and carving out my crease. Again, I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease. If you want more of a rounded shape, you can use a rounder brush and just follow that along the edge. But on this one, I created more of a cut crease, so it's like a half circle, unlike the other eye that looks more rounded. And I'm just going to keep going until I'm satisfied with how the cut crease looks. I'm just going to be making sure that I have a good shape before I go in with the eyeshadow color. Now I'm taking a flat brush and taking more of that purple along the edge. My mistake here was that I should have made it more round, but like I said, I just kind of patted it onto the edge. So you'll notice that this eye look is more sharp, unlike the other eye. And now I'm taking that shimmery blue from the Juvias Place palette, and I'm just going to be packing that all over my lid. I'm actually using a ColourPop flat synthetic brush for this. You can obviously go in and wet your brush, but I really like using them dry. And since my eyeshadow base is wet and tacky, it picks up the eyeshadow really well. And again, I'm just going to be cleaning up underneath of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Space Panda. I'm going to be taking their 620 brush, which you guys saw in my haul. And I'm just going to be wetting the Hydra Liner because you need water to activate it, and creating a winged liner. I still would have liked the eye look even if I just kept it white, but because it was kind of mixing in with that purple, I didn't want to overdo the white, so I just decided to put the white down as a base, and then I'd go in on top with an eyeshadow. So as you guys can see, I'm kind of just going along, connecting it to my inner corner, making it kind of thick so that when I do apply the lashes, you guys can still be able to see that winged liner. And this is actually super easy to work with. I really do like the consistency of the hydroliner. I want to pick up more shades. Alright, so now I'm just applying the pink shade from the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm just going to be applying it over top of the white liner that I just applied. So I'm just going to be cleaning up the outer edge. I'm going to be applying some mascara before I apply my falsies. And for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Miss A Gaia lashes. Again, Gaia. They are some of my favorites at the moment. I just think they complement a lot of the looks that I've been doing. Next, I'm going to be taking the green shade and just packing that with a angled brush and going underneath my lower lash line. Once I'm done applying that green shade with that angled brush, I'm going to take a pencil brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to be taking that yellow shade from the Juvia's Place palette and applying it underneath that shade that I just did, just to smoke it out and make it look less harsh. I just feel like the yellow and the green look really pretty when you combine them together. I'm just going to take the Mary Luminizer and apply that into my inner corner. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave me a thumbs up. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.